Hi, sweet friends, and welcome back. I am so glad to see you again. And if you're new, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in today. Well, guys, I'm so thrilled to bring to you my Christmas home tour for 2021. So before we begin this home tour, I just want to acknowledge all the new family members that have chosen to join and support this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy your stay here. I also want to acknowledge my faithful family members that have been here from day one. When I had less than 10 subscribers, you were here, and I constantly see you coming back and watching my videos and writing sweet comments. I really appreciate your support, and I love you all. So I typically just play music during the course of my home tours. This year I may pop in from time to time and say a few things that are occurring in the video. And also, I just want you to keep your notification bells on, because even after this home tour, I still have some more Christmas content coming your way. And also, if you're new here and you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to become a part of the Felicia By The Seasons family, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It costs you nothing to subscribe to my channel, but it will support my channel and kick this video out to more and more people that have not found me yet. And so without further ado, grab your favorite drink, sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this home tour. Merry Christmas! I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new. In the crowded streets calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song, heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in the air.
So here we are entering my second entryway that leads upstairs. And this year we have decided to add in a second hot chocolate bar station on our second floor to entertain our guests and family members. I hope you all are enjoying this Christmas home tour so far. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new, please click that subscribe button and help me reach my 1K goal this year. Will you be our guest this Christmas?
Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bells loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star. I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew